Hey everybody, I figured I'd do an update on the Chevelle Wagon. I got the two-tone pretty much done on that. Figured I'd show you it. I went with the red on top. I think it goes better with the tan interior than the black. I haven't wet sanded or nothing on it, so there is some rough spots. I still got to do all that. A couple repair spots, but so far it's turned out pretty nice. Was trying to set the grill in there so you can get the almost finished look on it. I'll probably end up tinting the windows, since it is supposed to be one of them kind of modern updated cars. But let me know what you guys think of the paint. Ain't super smooth yet, ain't done, but let me know on the color scheme. A lot of chrome still has to go on this thing too. Alright, short and sweet. Talk to you guys later.